In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that is very good, and that is very good for the trend following trades. And also when the reversal is going to happen in the market, then this indicator will be the first one that will tell you how you can get into the trade early on. And this is the best indicator, and the good part is that this indicator is completely free to use on TradingView, and it can also provide you very quick and very short time reversals as well if the markets are, let's say, not trending. Okay guys, so before I jump into this video, guys, please visit my website fxmentorus.com. The link is given in the description of this video below. There is a lot of knowledge about the art in the form of articles by which you can improve your trading style. And second thing, I have solved the broker problem for you guys, because I have plotted the banner on my website where you can just click on that banner and you can simply join the best forex and the crypto broker that I'm using from 2015, and just click on get started and you can open your account with the honest, trusted broker, and that is regulated. And I never had any kind of withdrawal problem in the last years. Okay, there is no problem because this is one of the top broker choice. Moreover guys, these are my private indicators that are listed on the website. The best one is the big players indicator, and it basically plots the big player levels on the screen. And this is the TradingView indicator. If you want to get the access of this indicator, you can use the contact us option. You can contact on Telegram, email. Our WhatsApp support number is also provided in the description of this video below. The second indicator, the private indicator, is the bank selling order and the bank buying order, and all the information is provided on the website. And the third part, if you go to the coaching tab, if you don't know how to trade like banks, then this is the method that I teach to my subscribers. You will find a lot of reviews from my students who have already taken 1 hour session, and they are very comfortable in trading right now, because I teach the method for the big players, that how the big players actually trade in the market. And this is the very key knowledge in the trading market. So if you want to book the session, you can simply join me on Telegram, WhatsApp, or you can also contact through email. Okay guys, so I'm going to delete this indicator, and let's attach this indicator again, so that let's find out that which indicator is this, which is very powerful. Okay, so now I will write the indicator, so make sure that you are going to focus on the spellings. Okay, so this is COOL, cool, TOYS sorry. Okay, so you will write cool twice, or you can also write shadow candles. Then this indicator will come, that is by Demos Affair. And you can see this is the new stuff in the market, and so many people don't even know about this indicator. And might be I'm the first one who is going to review this indicator on YouTube, so make sure that you should not miss any part of this indicator. Okay, so right now this is the EuroCAD chart, and you can see how sweetly it has provided us with the trend direction. You can see there was a green box that was telling us that the market is into the uptrend, and when the market starts to go down, and then it has plotted you can say that the red, or what you can say, the brown block, and then you can see the price is down. Okay, so right now, today it's Sunday when I'm recording this video, so let's go to the Bitcoin. Okay, so for example, if we go to the Bitcoin, then you can see we have some bearish blocks, bullish blocks, and bullish, and then you can see still it is keeping the bearish block. And if you just completely look, if I make the trend line like this, then you can see almost the price is actually dropping, and the price is actually ranging as well. Okay, let's go to the Dogecoin. Okay, now you can see how simple it is to trade. You can see this was the bullish block, and this is the bearish block, and right now again it's into the bullish block. So what to do here? Definitely, if you're a trend type of trader, then you can go for that, because these are the very good reversals that you can easily catch. Okay, I can show you more, like if we go to the crypto tab, because today crypto is on. And let's see, let's choose any random one like Doji USD. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, similarly, you can see it's also into the bullish block. And sorry, let's pick any other one so that we can test more. So for example, not Doji, Sui USDT. Okay, now you can see here it was the bullish block, then bearish, and then it went into the brown zone, and again it's a bearish block, and the price is going down. Okay, overall you can use it on anything like forex, crypto, stocks. Look at this thing, these are the very good moves. Okay, you can see Great Britain pound CAD, and right now it's providing you the retracement from the downward side. So this is how you can play with this indicator, and I found this indicator to be very very good, especially if you are a trend follower in a trader, and if you want to take the trades based on the reversal. So this is the very good indicator in that case, because you can also do scalping and you can also plan long trades in that scenario as well. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe and share.